Epal ka ba?
We are in the what you call this thing? Yeah, Garni Historical Cultural Museum. Okay. So in this place you can see it is the coffee shop. Let's go. Then that guy is actually their tour guide, same like me, but that guy is the Armenian version. This one the Pinoy version. Okay. So he is speaking their language. I'm speaking the local language, English. You see this one, WC? It says welcome.
Ginagawa mo.
Okay? So you are welcome in Armenia.
Bruh.
And here is the mountain of the spring. The spring, the free one. So, this one, if you drink water here, you will have like, you know, later, directly. I will try now, I'm not thirsty. Ay, tubig pa lang natin. Oh.
Nasa bag.
Ano ba?
You try na.
I try na. Very fresh. There is something different. Maybe later we will see. We will see later. See? Very nice. Stones. This is actually made by human. The early civilization of Armenia. This one. This is all man-made, okay? Man-made. Tapos, isa sa mga pinakamagandang na invento nila dito actually is yung sinatawag na miniature
Teknolojia! Teknolojia!
So, nakita niyo yung mga ano na yan, yung mga bench na yan. Yung bench na yan is actually sa mga magdi-date paggabi. At ba't sila nandyan? Para nakatago. Tapos doon yung pagkano, hindi na nila mapigilan din sila sa loob. Doon sila sa loob magtutur. Ayan yun. Ha? So ngayon, nararamdaman ko na po yung parang effect ng tubig. Putik na yan. Nabiktima ako dun ah. Hindi nga, totoo lang. Parang nag-iba na yung timpla ng tiyan ko.
Hindi, gutom ka lang.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Ay, ang ganda ng ano.
Yung. Yun po banda yung ano, yung Sagada.
Wait, what?
This one, ito yung drone nila dito, no?
Would you like to take a picture with the drone or camera?
Yeah. This is what, like, you will send us to, like, when we take the picture and videos, you will send to us?
Yes, on WhatsApp or Telegram.
Oh. 2 videos.
Video is 3000 AMB gram.
2 videos, like, how many minutes?
Nearly 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yes.
Like, entire.
Yes.
Oh.
Do you want?
What is this new project means?
It's collecting all new project online.
Nakahanap na po siya ng kanyang forever.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Hindi ko alam po anong video. Parang nakita niyo, parang langaw na lumilipad na yon, ganun yun. Show mo. Yan. What? What the Thank you. Ganyan po yan. Pagka kinuha niyo yan, magiging ganyan po yung ano. So mapapansin nyo, no? Meron siyang Armenian language, Russian language. Alam ko, Russian. I know Russian before. And meron ding Arabic. Tinanggal yung Filipino kasi malayo yung Pilipinas. Kunti lang yung tourist dito.